So what we are doing is diabetic shoes for preventing and healing foot ulcers for diabetic patients. Problem is foot ulcers. So foot ulcer is the common complication for the diabetic patients. When it's come to the diabetic patients, they have certain conditions. So first one is the generic, and second one is foot structural change, and third one is foot drop, and fourth one is neuropathy. So for all these category of diabetic patients, so foot ulcer is the common complications. So when it's come to foot ulcer, so many patients, they are not aware of what kind of footwear they have to use to prevent their foot. So 70% of the patients, they are unaware of these things. And so whatever the footwear options are available in the market, so there is lack of proper cushioning and proper design and all. And so current solutions, so what we have in the market for these diabetic footwear, so there are not the exact solutions of what the patients are expecting. And so when it's come to solutions, so what we are offering for the patients is enhanced comfort and perfect fit. So comparing with other footwears, so they're not giving the proper cushioning with the inner sole and the proper protection of the upper and all. So what we are giving is with the enhanced comfort and perfect fit. Then preventive footwear design. So preventive footwear design in the sense, so the footwear what we are offering for the diabetic patients, so it will be preventing from the foot ulcer. So no other brand is giving this kind of solution for the patients. And also when we compare to diabetic the medical expenses on their foot issues, it will be very cost effective and prevention also. So by using a proper footwear for these diabetic patients, so they can reduce the medical expenses. And so our product is stylish and practical, like comparing with other brands. So unique selling proposition, we can say the medical grade support, it is specially designed to prevent foot ulcers because foot ulcer is a common complication for the diabetic patients. So if the patient, they are using our footwear, it might be a shoe or sandal or slipper. So it will be preventing from the foot ulcer. And so our product is very comfortable and stylish. Also, it is designed for unisex, both genders can use. And so we have another concept like 3D foot scanner. When it comes to diabetic, so as I said before, so diabetic has 4 different conditions. So for foot drop and foot structural change, neuropathy, so these patients, they have to use the customized footwear. So they cannot use the generic footwear. So for these people, like we have a concept of 3D foot scanner. We'll be installing these 3D foot scanner in the diabetic centers and diabetic hospitals to give them the user-friendly experience. So the market size, the total addressable market in the global, like we can say it's around 13.9 billion USD. and serviceable available market is it's around 4.3 billion. And in India itself, there are around 13 crore diabetic patients are there. In every 15 members, so one person, they are suffering from diabetes. Business model. Currently, we are planning to focus on D2C sales through our website and B2B sales, like partnering up with diabetic doctors and diabetic centers, diabetic hospitals. The future plan will be like distributing the products to the export markets, and subscription model for footwear replacement. Subscription model for footwear replacement is for these customized patients for foot structural change and neuropathy and foot drop. So for these type of patients, this model will be suitable. And for go-to-market, we are targeting in every primary city. So we are going to hire 2 sales reps, and so these sales reps they'll be marketing our products in the every diabetic center and diabetic hospitals, and with the health distributors and all. And also, so we have an online platform. So we'll be selling these products through our website as well, and we'll be establishing our brand through digital marketing. And we are planning to do a collaboration with some celebrities for as a brand ambassador. And first, what we'll be doing is we'll be educating the consumers. So importance of the diabetic footwear, why they have to use. So after that, slowly we'll start with these B2B, partnering up with these diabetic doctors. Then, so we'll be selling our products through website. So it will be giving kind of clear route map to reach these product to the diabetic patients. So competitor analysis, there are some renowned brands out there in India, but they're not giving that much user friendly. And so whatever the solutions we can give to these patients. So first one is customized fit with 3D food scanning technology and kiosk concept. Then shoes designed to prevent diabetic foot ulcer. Then customization and user-friendly shoes. 3D food scanner installation concept for diabetic centers and hospitals. Unisex designs, then subscription model for customized footwear replacement, D2C and B2B partnership with healthcare providers. So all these points, like we can offer to these patients, and it will be more user friendly in every ways, with partnering up with these doctors as well as giving solutions to the consumers. So first, on the first year, like we are targeting only on the generic patients. So for the generic patients, we'll be providing these shoes and sandals as per these doctor's prescription. And on the second year, we are planning to do these 3D food scanner technology, 3D food scanner installation and all. Because when it comes to customizing the footwear, we have to do more R&D. So for that, it will take some time. And our vision is like whomsoever is affected by diabetes. So for all those patients, we have to give the quality footwear. So after using this footwear, they can lead their routine life. So this is what our vision. So this is our team. So V Sumati is my mother. So she's a co-founder of the company, and she's the inspiration behind this idea and developing these diabetic shoes. And Guru Raj is the co-founder. So he's handling website and other technical things and all. Ramesh, he's handling digital marketing and SEO. Prabhakaran, so he's the person, he's visiting the doctors and so getting some insights from doctors and giving samples to the doctors and all. So if you have